Hi friends, and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jade and we're going to be doing something super fun today. We're going to be reviewing not one, but two products from Milk Makeup. It was my first time trying products from them, and I went ahead and did a poll on Instagram last week asking some people that follow me if they're curious about the brand. They all pretty much said yes. So here I am, and let's get to the details right now. So I hope you guys enjoy that little montage and my sticker magic, but I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a bit more information and details about the products. So obviously Milk Makeup's packaging is gorgeous, it's so clean, I absolutely love it. But the two products I have here are the stick bronzer and the lip and cheek. The bronzer's in Blaze and the lip and cheek is in Work. Blaze is, I think, the darker of the two, and Work is just one of, I think 5 of the colors that they have. And then jumping back to the bronzing stick, it has a matte finish and it has mango butter and avocado oil for the hydrating glow. And also the lip and cheek stick also has mango butter, and it is a 2-in-1. It's for your lips and for your cheeks, so I think that's super cool. And here are just a couple swatches. They were just a back and forth swatch, so they are pigmented but they blend like a dream. They are $24, but they do include 1 full ounce. And then so now I'm going to be getting into my everyday makeup routine leading up to testing out the new products. I didn't use in my summertime. It is the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and I use 2 colors and I mix them. This one is my summer color, but I'm not as tan as I should be. So this is C6, and this is my winter color. It is C3. So whenever I'm in between the colors, that's a pretty good neck match, I just mix them. Holy moly. It is review time, so I'm a bit sweaty just because when I'm in my room I have to turn off my fan because it's too loud, but hopefully this is okay. So they are both $24. Kind of expensive. That's $50 is a lot. It's half $100. I always think in halves and things like that. But you get a lot of product. Like I was saying, there is 1 full ounce, and whenever it's fully extended, I'm not going to do it right now, it takes too long, but it's actually pretty long and it's quite a bit of product. The only thing is it smells like really cheap crayons. So that's my only impression, but I did wear this for a full day. I stick my finger. One swipe,
And just because I'm extra, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. And it really does just bounce and blend right out with my beauty sponge. So this is what we're looking like with all the bronzer on. I actually really love it. It's a hard pill to swallow for $24, but so far I really like it. And the smell does kind of bother me just a little bit, but when it's on the skin, I don't smell anything. And I think it looks really beautiful. And then so onto the blush, which is in the color, I totally forgot to tell you. And then so now moving on to the lip and cheek stick. So I have the color WERK. It is kind of like a dusty pink color. I really like it. And this one I apply differently. I do use my hands with it. I go on with my 2 fingers and I get just a little bit on there. Just a little bit. And I actually just dab that right onto my cheeks and blend it all the way up. I like to take my blush pretty high. And it is just such a pretty pink. I mean, it's just so naturally flush and cute, and also just blends so nicely, especially with the contour. And if you ever feel like, oh, maybe you did a little bit too much, which on camera it kind of looks like a lot, but in real life it's really not a lot. You could always just go in with your beauty blender and help it out a little bit. Since it's also a lipstick, we'll go in with our finger and see. I think that is super beautiful. So before I get carried on onto my other makeup, for the matte bronzer and the lip and cheek, $24 each, I still think they're worth it. So I'm gonna go on and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on at the very end and we can talk some more. And actually, just a little break.
So I definitely meant to say break. That's all.
Another thing that I actually use this for, just like my regular bronzer, what I actually really loved is taking that right onto my eyelid as my eyeshadow.
Alright guys, so that's all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and just to summarize, I really enjoyed my 2 products. I think they're worth it, even though the price is a bit expensive. All their makeup and cosmetics are pretty much expensive, but for them being like vegan, cruelty, talc, and gluten-free, you kind of got to give them credit for that. But anyhow, if you liked this video, if it helped you, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.